Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a strawberry cake. So let's get started. To draw this yummy cake, let's first start by drawing the strawberries on top. So I'm going to start right here because it's easier for my hand, and I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve. And so my goal is to draw these strawberries kind of like an ovalish shape, but the top part of our strawberry is going to be wider. So I'm just drawing this big curve, and it's all going to be as slant because our strawberry is resting on our cake. And I'm going to bring it down, and it's going to be thinner and sharper towards the bottom. So definitely turn your paper or your body if you need to. So something like this. So just a little bit wider at the top and then narrower towards the bottom. So now that we have one in, I'm going to draw another one. And so about right here, it's just a smaller one. And once again, we're going to end about the same area, same height. So we're just going to imagine being overlapped. Come out and connect. There. And then one more. So same thing on the other side. But right here, I'm just going to go ahead and draw one last strawberry. And don't worry if your strawberry is not exactly like mine, because strawberries come in lots of different shapes, right? So, but our main goal is just to have the top wider than the bottom. There. So now that I have that, to make it look more like a strawberry, let's draw the leaves on top, the crown. So I'm going to say this is my angle. So I'm just going to come up. This is my center line, my angle. And so up about right here, I'm just going to give myself a point. So that's my center. And using this as my guide, I'm going to come right here and just draw a center curve and two on the side. That's if you want to be a stickler about it being in the center. But you can just kind of free eyeball it. It doesn't really matter. So we just want to stick some green up here just to make it extra pretty when we color it. So same thing here, just approximate about right there. And another curve. There. And then when you color it, just add in those seeds. So just like little ovals all throughout, like with a darker color, with a darker pink or red, depending on what color you want to color your strawberries. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw the cake. So I am going to say, come about right here on our strawberries, about right here. And I'm just going to drag this point across since I'm drawing pretty big. Just easier for me to see. I have those 2 points, and this is where I'm going to draw a curve coming down. And same thing here. Curve coming down. And then I'm going to straighten it out. And so this is kind of like the glaze on our cake that's running down the sides of the cake. So I'm going to go straight down. And then from here, I'm going to go ahead and just drizzle. So have fun with this, but we want to kind of leave the center part, don't bring the center part down too much because we still want to draw some eyes. So if you want to bring it down more, just do it on the sides. So I'm going to come here on the sides, just bring this one down more, and I'm going to come up. And as I come up, I'm just kind of imagining this top of our cake as an oval. So I'm just going to come down from it a little bit and say about right here. Just go all the way around. I'm going to just kind of slightly draw a curve and then maybe a little drizzle right here. And then go across. Keep going. I just want to leave the center open so you don't have to mess with the eyes. And then about right there, maybe another one towards the side. And then once again, another one right here. There. So just want to kind of draw a curve. To follow our cake shape. Okay, so now that we have our drizzle in, let's bring it straight down. So come in a little bit. And I'm going to go straight down. And same thing here. So just come in a little bit. And I'm just going to look at my camera to make sure I'm going straight as possible. Okay, so say about right there, and same thing here. It's always harder because I can't put my head over the drawing, so I need to look up at my camera to make sure I'm about... Okay, so now I'm about the same height on both sides. I'm going to go ahead and connect this. I'm going to curve it right here and curve it right here, and then just connect it with a shallow curve towards the center, and then we're going to go back up. There, for our beautiful strawberry cake. Then I'm just going to end it. Just come right about here, pop it out, and go straight down, just to give it a base. And go straight down, and then we're just going to follow the top curve that we drew all the way across. There. So hopefully that is nice and simple cake that you'll have fun coloring. And to bring it to life, round off my strawberry a little bit here. To bring it to life, let's add some layers and some eyes. So I'm going to divide our cake, and so let's say about right here. I want a nice big band in the center. So I'm going to say about right here, just so I don't get in the way of my drizzle. I'm going to bring that across. So about right here, and I'm just going to draw a soft curve, kind of following that curve. I'm going to lightly bring that across. If you don't want this harsh black line, just when you're coloring it, just put this band of pink, so to make it a strawberry cake. So same thing here. I'm going to drag this across, approximate, and once again I'm going to lightly go all the way across. There. Okay, so done. So now that I got that in correctly, I'm going to come in here and make it a more confident line. Okay, then from there, let's bring this cake to life. And so I'm going to come into this band and say about right here, go ahead and draw a big circle for some Draw So Cute eyes. And I'm going to come right across, say about right here, and then draw another circle. There. Okay, so then from there, I'm going to make them Draw So Cute eyes with 2 small circles inside for highlights, and a curved line at the bottom, and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. And then in between the eyes, let's add a sweet smile. So say about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and curve and then put out a tongue to make it extra yummy. And then come above each eye and just draw a soft curve. There. And we need to add a heart. So do you want to put hearts here and mess it up? Okay, so let's not mess it up, and I'll just put the heart right here on the bottom layer to make this my Draw So Cute strawberry cake. I really hope you love how this turned out, and I made this fun and easy for you to follow along with me. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.